Last day in New York. Coffee and bagels.
Yeah.
Let's go. What'd you go with today?
A French toast bagel with
Yeah.
espresso Nutella.
Nice. I just went with the one I've had before. I went everything bagel with bacon, scallion, and American cheese.
Nice.
Yeah, thought why not? I've had it before. I liked it. How is it?
Delish.
Back here in Starbucks, getting warm and a coffee. So there's this like effect going on here. It's just because it's so cold outside and so warm in here, so the glass has sort of got a bit of fog on it. How's your coffee?
Yes, good.
It's what's needed, right?
Yeah.
We're in Central Park, going to see the John Lennon Monument in Strawberry Fields that they've named this area after one of his famous songs. There's people everywhere. Someone with a guitar singing "Let It Be." The park is ridiculously pretty in the snow, isn't it?
Yeah, but ridiculously freezing.
Oh, it's so cold. So we decided to give up and get out of the park. So we're gonna walk down whatever avenue this is, back downtown to civilization and see what everyone else is up to. Whew. Look at that, nobody's been in there, untouched. But this little doggy loves it. Look at him. How cool, huh?
Yeah, very cool. Do you reckon they're real birds? Casts.
I think they're casts. They wouldn't be real and left out here where you can grab them. Be careful,
What?
T-Rex. What do we got here, Hannah?
It's a crog. A crocodile frog.
What was that?
They're used during mating season for wrestling with other males and attracting females, and then are shed. This means that they regrew their antlers every year.
Their antlers were regrowing every year.
That would hurt.
That's crazy. Do you want one? That was awesome.
Yeah, it was very cool.
And we snuck in.
Unintentionally.
Yeah, true. Wasn't on purpose. We promise. Back downtown, find everyone for foods, pack, and then off back to warm London, which is very strange. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. heading out for the last time. Off to the Penny to meet the boys, then to the plane. Penny Farthing for the last time. I don't know if you could see me, but we've just been told our flights have been cancelled from New York. So we're friggin' stuck here for another 5 days. Stuck in New York. Emma, we're stuck in New York.
Polar bear going by being like, yo, it's fucking cold out here.
Wait, Emma.
Yeah?
Why are you back in New York?
I don't know.
Okay, so Norwegian cancelled our flight. We rang them up. I was on the phone to them for an hour and a half. We're not going home till next Thursday. It's Sunday. It's Saturday.
It's Saturday.
Oh my gosh, it's Saturday. And we're not going home till Thursday. We're stuck here. Oh well.